And there'll be earthquakes in diverse places, keeping you up to date with the headlines when it comes to earthquakes. And let's take a look at the earthquake map for today, Thursday, February the 4th, 2016. Kermadec Islands, New Zealand, a 5.3 earthquake 15 hours ago. New Zealand, 5.3. Kermadec region, New Zealand, 5.3. 5.1. 5.2. Russia, a 4.0, 14 hours ago. Magnitude 4.0 earthquake. Kermadec Islands region, New Zealand is getting hit hot and heavy with major earthquakes. 5.1 again. 5.0 New Zealand. Kuril Islands 4.9. Let's go up ahead and take a look at some significant ones. And 8 hours ago in New Guinea, a 5.2 and a 5.5. The Dominican Republic, 8 hours ago, a 3.1. India, a 4.5, 8 hours ago. And the Bali Islands region, a 4.9, 3.5. In Central, where? In Central California, a 4.2 in Afghanistan, a 3.7 in Montana. Western Montana had a 3.7 magnitude quake. A 5.1, here we are again, the Kermadec Island regions of the 5.0. New Zealand, 4.7 in Indonesia, and that was just a few hours ago, 4 hours ago. And in the Congo, 3 hours ago, a 4.8. 3.8 in Iran, Iraq border region, right on the border of Iran and Iraq. 2 hours ago, 3.8 magnitude earthquake, and a 3.8 in Colombia, a 4.5 in the Tonga and the Kuril Islands, a 4.7. That's getting you all up to date for February the 4th, 2016, and it's only 10:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in the morning. Subscribe to my channel.